Tratak means to gaze. Tratak is a tool to clear your mind from surrounding disturbances. It is a yogic purification method of meditation that involves staring at a single point, such as a small dot, object, or candle flame. This technique makes use of underlying connection between mind and eye. When we fix gaze on a particular object without moving our body, our mind becomes stable. This is the underlying principle of Tratak, which helps in reducing stray thoughts. With regular practice, over time, stray thoughts disappear. It is advisable that children and those who have existing eye condition do not practice this. Comfortably sit in Sukhasana, hands in Dhyan Mudra. That is, your index finger and thumb should join each other, making a circle, O, while the other three fingers should be straight. Elbow to shoulder should rest on your body. Comfortably rest your hands on your lap. Eyes closed, back straight. Remember not to squint your eyes or frown. Stay calm. If water rolls out during the Kriya, do not wipe it off, let it be. If you feel like you are not able to concentrate and there is rapid eye blinking, close your eyes for a few seconds and continue again. Let us start for the Kriya. Eyes closed. Inhale and exhale slowly. Continue this for a few more breaths. Open your eyes and look at the flame without blinking. As you can see, the flame has 3 zones of colors. At the base, it is reddish color. In the middle, it has white, and at tip, it's smoky. Concentrate on the biggest, brightest white part. Continue staring at the white part. Even if the thoughts are striking, let them come and go. Completely concentrate. If you are not able to concentrate, your eyes are blinking, slowly close your eyes for a few breaths. And then open again and start concentrating. As you inhale, various types of positive energies are coming and re-entering in your body, and the negative thoughts, negative energy is going through your body while exhalation. Your body is relaxed, you feel much more lighter. All your worries and tension are getting disappeared. Now slowly close your eyes. Try to illustrate the image of the flame. Gently concentrate on the image flame without creating any tension over the body or the face. If you are doing this for the very first time and cannot illustrate the image, it's completely fine. You may be able to achieve this as you practice. Concentrate on your breathing again. Experience as you inhale the cold air goes into your body and spreads the warmthness. As you exhale, all the impurities are going out. Tratak meditation purifies eyes, strengthens the eye muscles, improves vision and memory, helps with sleeping difficulties and bedwetting, strengthens the ability to concentrate, and since highly recommended for school children. Slowly rub your both palms. Feel the warmth. Slowly place them on your both eyes and pass the energy to them. I really hope this was a wonderful session and waiting you to meet in the next session. Until then, do not forget to share your experience. Waiting for your comments and response. See you all in the next session. Until then, keep smiling and take care.